everyone. Good evening and welcome back once again to the official YouTube channel of Overseas Arena. I'm your own IELTS and a PT teacher Bhavna Singh, and today in this video I will be explaining you the task 1 of IELTS Academic. So mainly in task 1 of IELTS Academics, the examiner asks the students to summarize any pie chart, bar chart, table, line graph or picture diagram. Any of these one figure will come and we need to summarize it in 150 words. All right. So task 1 is absolutely different to task 2 of IELTS, that is paragraph writing. Mainly in task 1, you will be getting just 20 minutes to complete that. So always remember students, there is a set of template that you follow while writing any task 1. Okay. First, we start with introduction. Introduction is generally 10 to 15 words, not more than that. And always remember that you don't copy the introduction. It needs to be absolutely paraphrased. After your introduction is done, then you need to write an overview. So what is exactly an overview? Students, overview is basically, it's like a thesis that will be telling that what main features you have observed in the figure and what are they exactly about and by how much percentage they are differing. All right. So this is how, again, 15 to 20 words of overview you will be giving in task 1. After that, make a new paragraph. We write body para 2. Although this is body para 2, but we will say it as BP1 and paragraph 3 will become BP2. So in para 2 and para 3, we will write the major details, the major differences that we have observed. And again, as I said, if more than 3-4 quantities are there, if suppose the data is about 4-5 countries, so you will divide. First 3 countries you can compare in this paragraph 2 and the remaining 2 countries you can compare in paragraph 3. So this is how comparison needs to be done. All right, fine. And again, there is no need of conclusion. Conclusion is already given in essays of task 2, but in this task 1, there is no need of conclusion. You will just write 50 words in introduction, 50 words in paragraph 2 and 50 words in paragraph 3. So that will complete your total 150 words. That's it. After your task 1 is done for 20 minutes, you will next move to the task 2. All right. So in the next upcoming video, I will be solving some of the few line chart, bar chart and pie chart in front of you, some picture diagrams. So that will be more clear and beneficial for you. In case for more queries related to your immigration, please get in touch with the agents of Overseas Arena. Like, share and subscribe the channel to get such more informative content about English immigration examinations such as IELTS, PT, CELPIP, Duolingo, TOEFL. Thank you so much once again.